Hello everyone, welcome to edutech learn and grow. In this video we are going to see dimensional formula and SI units of various physical quantities. So physical quantities and their formula, dimensional formula and SI unit. So first is area. Area formula is length into breadth and dimensional formula is L power 2 or unit is m square. Second is volume. Formula is length into breadth to height, to L power 3 and m cube. Density, mass upon volume. So m upon L power 3, that is m L power minus 3, and unit is kg per meter cube. Fourth is speed or velocity. Formula is distance upon time and dimensional formula will be L upon t or L t power minus 1 and unit will be meter per second. Acceleration, it is change in velocity upon time. So dimensional formula is L t power minus 2 and unit is meter per second square. Sixth is momentum. Formula is mass into velocity and dimensional formula m L t power minus 1 and SI unit is kg meter per second. Seventh is force. Formula is mass into acceleration and dimensional formula is ml t power minus 2 and SI unit is Newton. Eighth is work. Formula is force into distance and dimensional formula ml square t power minus 2 and SI unit is joule. Ninth is energy, or formula, that is what amount of work we do, and dimensional formula ml square t power minus 2 or joule. ml t power 2 and ml power 2 and t power minus 2 joule. 10th is power, work upon time, dimensional formula ml power 2 t power minus 3 and SI unit is watt. 11th is pressure. Formula is force upon area and dimensional formula ml power minus 1 t power minus 2 or SI unit is Pascal or Newton per meter square. 12th is momentum of force or torque. Formula is, that is torque, so formula is force into perpendicular distance and dimensional formula ml power 2 t power minus 2 and Newton meter SI unit is. 13th is gravitational constant, that is represented by capital G and formula is force into distance square divided by mass into mass. So SI dimensional formula is m power minus 1 L power 3 t power minus 2. SI unit is Newton meter square per kg square. 14th is impulse of force, that is force into time and dimensional formula ml t power minus 1 Newton second. 15th is stress, force upon area and dimensional formula ml power minus 1 t power minus 2 and SI unit is Newton per meter square. Now we will see base units and supplementary units. So what are the base units? Also called fundamental units. The fundamental unit first is length, symbol is m and base SI unit is meter. Second is mass, kilogram, kg. Time, second, t. Electric current, ampere, A. And thermodynamics temperature, Kelvin, K. Amount of substance, mole, M. Luminous intensity, candela, CD. Supplementary units are plane angle, radian, RAD. Solid angle, steradian, SR. So these are the fundamental units and supplementary units. Hello friends, welcome to edutech learn and grow. In this video we are going to see range and order of masses. So electron mass is 10 power minus 30 kg. We are going to see in terms of kg. Proton mass is 10 power minus 27 kg. Uranium atom 10 power minus 25 kg. Red blood cells RBC 10 power minus 13 kg. Dust particle 10 power minus 9 kg. Raindrop 10 power minus 6 kg. Mosquito 10 power minus 5 kg. Grapes 10 power minus 3 kg. Human 10 power 2 means 100 kg. Automobile 10 power 3 means 1000 kg. Boeing 747 aircraft 10 power 8 kg. Moon 10 power 23 kg. Earth 10 power 25 kg. Sun 10 power 30 kg. Milky Way galaxy 10 power 41 kg. Observable universe 10 power 55 kg. Means our universe mass is approx 10 power 55 kg. Thank you. Now we are going to see range and order of lengths. Size of object or distance and length. Size of proton 10 power in meter we are going to see. So size of proton 10 power minus 15 meter. Size of atomic nucleus 10 power minus 14 meter. Size of hydrogen atom 10 power minus 10 meter. Length of typical virus 10 power minus 8 meter. Wavelength of light 10 power minus 7 meter. Size of red blood corpuscles RBC 10 power minus 5 meter. Thickness of a paper 10 power minus 4 meter. Height of Mount Everest above the sea level 10 power 4 meter. Radius of Earth 10 power 7 meter. Distance of Moon from the Earth 10 power 8 meter. Distance of Sun from the Earth 10 power 11 meter. Distance of Pluto from the Sun 10 power 13 meter. Size of our galaxy 10 power 21 meter. Distance of Andromeda galaxy 10 power 22 meter. Distance of boundary of observable universe 10 power 26 meter. Thank you. Now we are going to see physical quantities, unit name, symbol and values in SI unit. So we are going to see length. So first is Fermi. Fermi represented by F and it is 10 power minus 15 meter. Angstrom represented by A power ऊपर dot रहेगा. It is 10 power minus 10 meter. Astronomical unit AU 1.496 into 10 power 11 meter. It is the average distance of the sun from the earth. Light year, 1 light year LY 9.46 into 10 power 15 meter. Distance traveled by the light in vacuum in a year. Now parsec. So it is 3.08 into 10 power 16 meter, which is 3.26 light year. Parsec is the distance at which average radius of Earth's orbit subtends an angle of 1 arc second. Thank you. Now we are going to see common SI prefix and symbols for multiple and submultiples. So multiples, factor 10 power 18, prefix exa, symbol is E. Factor 10 power 15, peta, P. 10 power 12, tera, T. 10 power 9, giga, G. 10 power 6, mega, M. 10 power 3, kilo, K. 10 power 2, hecto, H. 10 power 1, deca, Da. Submultiples, to factor, prefix and symbol. 10 power minus 18, auto, A. 10 power minus 15, femto, F. 10 power minus 12, pico, P. 10 power minus 9, nano, N. 10 power minus 6, micro, mu. 10 power minus 3, milli, M. 10 power minus 2, centi, C. 10 power minus 1, deci, D.